last class we have already know regarding the chain rule of derivative. Now you are going to find out the derivative of inverse trigonometric function. इस क्लास में हम इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. सपोज वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट dy dx of sin inverse x. What is its value that we have to find out. Here you take let sin inverse x, that will be taken as y. Then what is the value of x? X will be what? Sin y. Then you take dy dx of both sides, dy dx of x, this is dy dx of what? Sin y. यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x कितना हुआ? 1. y है वेरिएबल, तो वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट dy of sin y into what? dy by dx. ये चेन रूल में हम पढ़े थे. क्योंकि y वेरिएबल है तो y का साथ डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, तो dy of sin y. So 1 is this is equal to sin y का डेरिवेटिव कितना होता है? cos y into what? dy by dx. Then what is the value of dy by dx? The value of dy by dx. So dy by dx will be how much? It will be 1 divided by cos y. Now we express this cos in terms of sin. So what will be its value? So dy dx of what is the value of y? Here you see हम y को क्या लिए थे? sin inverse x. So you put that value here. dy dx of sin inverse x. This equal to 1 by cos y. Cos y can be written as 1 minus sin square y. Its root over. So dy dx of sin inverse x. This what is its value? 1 by square root of 1 minus what is the value of sin y? Sin y का value कितना है? x. So you put that value here. So this is the formula to find out or this is the formula to get the derivative of sin inverse x. So you are getting dy dx of sin inverse x. कितना मिला तुमको? This is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, derivative of cos inverse x, you will find what? dy dx of cos inverse x. Its value will be what? This will be minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x का derivative इतना आएगा. By taking the same method, by same process, you can obtain the value of derivative of cos inverse x. Clear? Next हम tan inverse x का derivative निकालेंगे. So you are getting two formulas here. Then suppose you are going to find out derivative of tan inverse x. So here dy dx of tan inverse x. This thing you have to find out. Here you take let tan inverse x equal to what? Y. Then what is the value of x now? The value of x will be what? It will be what? Tan y. You differentiate with respect to s from both sides. So dy dx of x you will find it will be dy dx of what? Tan y. Derivative of x you are getting 1. So here you have to make it as dy of tan y into what? dy by dx. So this one will be derivative of tan y. This is what? Sec square y into dy by dx. So what is the value of dy by dx? dy by dx will be how much? It will be 1 divided by sec square y. Now in place of y you put its value. Y का value कितना है? tan inverse x. So here you will find dy dx of tan inverse x. This will be what? 1 by sec square y. This can be written as 1 plus tan square y. So dy dx of tan inverse x, you are getting how much? 1 by 1 plus tan y का value कितना है? The value of tan y is how much? That is x. So you put here x, so it will be 1 plus x square. So derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So you got the new formula dy dx of tan inverse x. This is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, you can find out dy dx of cot inverse x. It will be what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Then next we are going to find out the derivative of sec inverse x. So when you are going to find out the derivative of sec inverse x, by same process and similar method, you have to find out. So here, suppose here you are going to find out dy dx of sec inverse x. Again you take let sec inverse x, this is to be taken as what? Y. Then what is the value of x? X will be how much? This is sec y. Then you take the derivative from both sides, dy dx of x, it will be what? Dy dx of sec y. Derivative of x is 1. Here it can be written as dy dy of sec y into what? Dy by dx. So what is the derivative of sec y? Sec x का डेरिवेटिव कितना होता है? Sec x into tan x. तो sec y का डेरिवेटिव आएगा कितना? Sec y into tan y into dy by dx. Then what is the value of dy by dx? So you will get dy by dx. Its value will be how much? This is 1 by sec y into tan y. Then what is the value of y here you are getting? Sec inverse x. You put this value here. dy dx of sec inverse x. This will be what? 1 by sec y का value कितना है? This is x. Tan y can be written as sec square y minus 1. So finally you are getting dy dx of sec inverse x. This will be 1 by x into square root of sec square y, that is x square minus 1. This is the new formula. Derivative of sec inverse x is how much? That is 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. By using this same method, you can obtain the formula for cosec inverse x. dy dx of cosec inverse x, this is your minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. These are the formulas. So you are getting here total 6 formulas. Again I am going to write the formula. So here first one you are getting dy dx of sin inverse x. This is what? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. And dy dx of cos inverse x, you are getting how much? This is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Then dy dx of tan inverse x, this is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. And dy dx of cot inverse x, this is what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, dy dx of sec inverse x, you are getting how much? That is 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. And dy dx of cosec inverse x, this is minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. So these are the 6 formulas of derivative for inverse trigonometric functions. By using this formula, we have to solve the problems. And first of all, you should know how the formula is obtained. And if you know this, then it will be permanently stored in your brain and easily you can use it. And we will discuss more problems regarding the inverse trigonometric function in our next class. So you go through this video and you make it practice and remember the formulas. Wish you all the same. Best. Thank you. and you like my video and subscribe and share it with your friends for more videos in our next classes. Thank you.